Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about all the important tags that are necessary in the HTML code. So let us see. The heading is HTML tags and the first tag we are going to discuss is exclamation mark doc type HTML tag. This tag is used to describe that our HTML is of document type. I have even discussed about it before. And the second tag we will discuss is HTML tag. The HTML document begins with HTML tag and ends with /HTML tag. Body tag, I told it contains all the visible part of the HTML code. We write our main part of the coding here. The head tag, it contains the title of the HTML. It holds the title tag. See how we write. I have given you a small representation here. This is the HTML tag which ends here. Within it is the head tag and within it is the title tag, my HTML program. So this title, I have told you this title tag is used to display in the tab that what is our program all about or just the topic of our program. Then as I have told you, the body tag would be added here. But since we are not using the body tag right now, I'm just telling you about the head tag, so we'll not discuss it. But the orientation is this, that head tag ends, then the body tag starts. And we must use the tab button in our keyboard to follow a proper orientation. Just because our program looks good and there is nothing much deep into it, but we'll be easily understanding our program whenever we'll be seeing it, or any other person who is collaborated with us to design a particular project would be able to understand what our program is all about. So we must follow this orientation of V shape, and it's also the symbol of a good programmer. Now we are going to discuss about the H tags. As I told, it is used to write heading in the increased format size. So there are different size like H1 big format up to H6, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. The font will be getting smaller and smaller. There is also a paragraph tag, which is important to write the paragraph, whatever the content of HTML. And then comes the BR tag. BR tag is used to go to new line in a paragraph, and it does not require the /BR tag. So we must see how this works. Let us go to the Sublime editor. See, this I have written a program. Here we have used the head part and the body part. In the body part, as you can see, I have used H1 tag, P tag, H2 tag and H6 tag. According to our understanding, H1 tag should have a bigger font than the H2 tag in comparison to the H6 tag. And within the paragraph tag, I have used this BR tag right here. So the very must end in a line and then happy should be written in another line. So let us test this program written in the Chrome browser. Yes, as we can see, my first heading is slightly bigger in comparison to please subscribe my channel, which was H2 tag, and then this H6 tag, which is written, it is a small heading, has become very small. And as I said that after very we'll go to a new line in the happy, we can see it has happened because of the BR tag. We'll be discussing on very important tags such as link tag and an image tag. It is very important in our following classes. A brief discussion would be that a link tag is used to add a link through which or by clicking which, like if this heading is a link, then by clicking this I can go from one HTML page to another HTML page. And an image tag is used to add a particular image within the HTML web page. So we can view or see an image right here. And we can also merge both of these so that an image would be used as an HTML link to go to a new page. We'll be seeing this in our following videos. Thank you.